Weather conditions are a little bit windy today.
Oh, what's coming off? Oh!
Releasing. It can't release.
Oh, it's hung up. Hey guys, welcome back to Nighthawk Gliders. I'm Brad.
I'm Bruce.
And this here is our special guest, Ben.
Hi.
Hey, and Ben he's doing us a solid by giving us an opportunity to do something we've never done before, and that is launching a Whipit glider from his Fenix 120. It's really cool because he's got a mechanism, what do you call it, a servo here with a rubber band that's kind of mounted. And he's gonna fly this bad boy up pretty good heights. We're gonna try it out. He's gonna release it, and Bruce, you ready, Bruce?
Yep, I'm
okay,
ready.
and Bruce is gonna pilot the Whipit. We've never done this before, so this could be fun, could be failure. Hey, that's it. We'll see how it goes.
All right.
Weather conditions are a little bit windy today.
Oh, what's coming off? Oh!
Releasing. It can't release.
Oh, it's hung up. It got caught.
Whoops.
You're
You're controlling all right, right?
Feels a little weird.
it's hanging down. It's hanging off it.
Well,
It's floppy.
I've officially released you. Whether the rubber band wants to cooperate is another story.
If you want to let it down in the grassy area, that might be a safe bet.
Okay, I'll try. Aerodynamics are very strange right now.
He's trying.
to turn to the right.
So it got hung up when it was released. I think the Whipit probably decided to lift immediately.
Yeah, it was trying to.
Yeah.
It was trying to stretch away.
So what we should try to do is, there we go, soft landing. Nicely done.
Thank you.
We could probably mount the thing upside down next time,
Yeah, that might help.
and it might lift downwards, and we can just loop it back up.
Mhm.
All right, I guess we'll do take two. We decided to mount it forward again, upright still, but we changed the position of the rubber band. Now it's the leading edge of the wing. So, hey, good luck, Ben.
All right, here we
All right,
go.
we'll see you.
Clear.
Nice.
I'll tell you when. Come on. Go higher. All right, go. Release.
Here we go.
Hey, it worked.
Yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
Now you got to bring it back, Bruce.
I know, right?
It's dropping fast.
Yeah. Get them lighted up and down.
Yeah, you're probably going against the wind right now. Ben's still up.
Right on the runway.
Yay! That was awesome. Nicely done.
It wasn't released for a while, would it?
No, it took a minute.
So here's a lesson. Make
Yeah.
certain you check the batteries connected before you fly it, right?
And mine's a little bit loose too now that we mention it.
So double check that one.
All right, take number 3.
That's good.
Let me
Okay.
see. Oh.
Not released.
There it goes.
Took a while.
It sticks to the plane, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. That's good height, though. Now we can even go higher. There you go, Bruce. You're soaring. That was much better than the first one.
I need a lot of right trim.
That's good flight.
Yeah, wow.
Nicely done, guys. Good landing.